Hello guys, how are you guys? I hope you're fine. I hope everything is okay with you guys because of what's going on in the war right now. I just want to take a few minutes of your time. I'm calling you guys from Germany. I am taking a weekend, like small vacation. And just before I wrap it up, before I go into bed, I said let me just shoot this last short YouTube shot. So what I want to talk about actually is I want to talk about get back to my teens and where was where I was born. Actually, it was a place we didn't had no technology. Well, one thing was amazing, that was the electricity. So and we used to like sit outside, look at the stars, and talk about when we have money, what we are going to do and how we're going to help all those people around us. And to be honest, I pretty much believe it a lot, because you really wanted to help people. You look at the roads, they have holes. You said, the first thing what I will do, we're just saying, what are you going to do when you have money, or when you have whatever means to do things. And then we are talking about just practical things, like repairing the roads, more food, schooling, clothing, and those are things you're thinking about. Now, if I just speed it up a little bit and looking now, where yeah, where, where actually we are at this moment, and I'm thinking, wow, we as human beings, we always want to help each other, and sometimes the way how we want to help is not always okay. You could help in a practical way, but you could help also in giving people some ideas. So before I get into what I want to say, I just want to say hello to everyone who's looking at this video. Hello there from people from Guyana, from Suriname, French Guyana, and Paris. Everybody who knows me. And if you log in here, don't worry. I will make some movies in Dutch, in French. So I'll be using my skills to do those stuff. But in the meanwhile, what I want to say actually is, I know you guys, some of you guys are okay. Many of you guys are okay who know me and also out there. But I know a lot of you are in a situation that you really cannot move. So I just wanna say, hang in there and you do practical things, like, if you have a piece of yard, plant something. If you have a possibility where there's water, catch some fish. Yeah, just make the best out of it, because it doesn't matter where you are, you could make the best out of it. So in saying this, I'm not saying it because I'm here in for example in Germany now at my vacation spot, but I'm just saying this out of a experience, because as a father of two kids, and growing up in these countries, growing up in South America and in Europe, all over where I've been, I made it happen. I made things happen. It's like, use what you have and just make it happen. So what's the reason why I'm here with you guys today? The reason is that, a first reason is thank you guys for helping me along the way. Maybe things I haven't noticed, because sometimes you're just so focused you don't really notice when you're being helped or not. And I want to say thank you. And what I want to do also is I want to let you know I still have the same spirit, the same feelings, like wanting to help others. And the way how I would like to do it is by start to show you some free movies. Just click on the link and you guys will get some more details, where I'm coming from, you know, like, what am I doing, and you could help out. You could take the journey with me, you know. So regardless which direction you're going, if you're looking to do something on the internet, I'm here, you guys. So check out my website and check out my what I have to tell you, and look and see what you guys could do with it. What I need to say is that at this age, especially where I'm living at this moment, we need digital skills, you know, like skills to navigate on the internet. And I'm sure, doesn't matter where you are now, if you're looking at this, meaning that you have a YouTube channel, you could look at a YouTube channel, you have the internet, so meaning you are connected with the web, you are connected with the internet. So you could do a couple things. You could just go on the internet and buy some stuff, or laugh on the jokes people are making, or fun, you know, it's nice, or it's laughing is okay. But you could say, well, you know, listen, I'm here in this part of the world, doesn't matter where you are, and you could think, listen, if those people are sending all this message to me, what can I do with it, you know? And why is it that they are sending these messages? Is it the reason just to make me laugh, just to make me excite me, or whatever? Or is there a next message? The message what I want to send to you guys is that you need to learn about the internet. You need to learn about the skills that it takes for you guys to just navigate on the internet, but also make it a place where you could earn. Make it a place where you could have some knowledge. Make it a place where you could think, hey man, so much guys are out there, they're making it happen. How can I make it happen as well? Well, if you're somebody like this, if you're thinking, if you're a father with kids like me, if you come from a far place and you are in Europe, doesn't matter where you are in Europe, if you come from a different place, or even if you're living here for decades, man, you need some skills. And if you're looking at this movie right now, I would like to inspire you, I'd like to motivate you, I would like to ask you, click on the link and go all in. Take the full package, you know, and just help yourself. Take the rod and make sure you get the skills. Thank you, man. Take care. Goodbye. Bye-bye.